Hello everyone, myself Bikash Kumar Dora and I am 25 years of old, and I completed my graduation in 2021 in Bachelor of Computer Application, but unable to crack a job in IT industry. Then one of my friend told that to enroll a course in Evision Technoserve. After that I joined Evision Technoserve in March 2025, and I completed my course with Evision Technoserve in June 2025. So after that I am able to crack a job in IT industry in Outworks Solution in Bengaluru. I got around 3.24 LPA from that company. Evision Technoserve literally helped me so much to crack a job. All the faculties and all the entire team put their efforts to get a job in IT industry. I would like to thank you, Samli ma'am, Pooja ma'am, and Ganesh sir, and I would like to special thank you to our Aryan sir. By all their efforts, I am able to crack a job in IT internship. So thank you very much, Evision Technoserve, and I also request to everyone who is watching this video, kindly join Evision Technoserve. They will definitely help you to crack a job in IT industry. Thank you, Evision.